In 14 days, Shanghai becomes the most important city on earth for anyone who uses a phone, runs a network, or builds the future. The 6G race is no longer coming. It has started, and the scoreboard may already be decided. Every network generation has promised to change everything. While 3G gave us the internet on phones, 4G gave us Uber, Netflix, and the app economy. Then 5G gave us connected machines, but 6G is structurally different from everything that came before it. 6G is being designed from day one as an AI native network. The network doesn't just carry data but thinks, adapts, and manages itself in real time. That's the difference between a road and a self-driving car. The road carries you and the car thinks for you. In 14 days, three massive storylines collide on one stage in Shanghai. Let me walk you through all three. At MWC Barcelona in March 2026, NVIDIA announced a coalition of 130 plus companies including BT, Deutsche Telekom, Ericsson, Nokia, SK Telecom, T-Mobile, SoftBank, and Cisco, all aligned around a single thesis. Here's the stat that stopped the entire industry. 77% of telecom respondents expect AI native 6G to deploy faster than any previous network generation in history. While 5G took over a decade from concept to commercial, the industry is betting 6G won't because AI would compress the timeline. NVIDIA is already running live field trials with AI RAN architecture, and they cleared every technical milestone. This isn't a roadmap item anymore as it's being built right now. But here's what NVIDIA's coalition doesn't have access to. Hardware that Western engineers haven't even seen yet. Hardware operating in a frequency range that doesn't officially have a name in the 3GPP standards yet. I'll show you exactly what China is doing and why MWC Shanghai is where it goes public for the first time. MWC Shanghai is China's home stage. This year, Huawei and ZTE are bringing 6G prototype hardware operating in sub-THz spectrum, which are frequencies between 100 and 300 GHz. Your current 5G phone operates below 40 GHz. Sub-THz is 3 to 8 times higher on the spectrum. The data capacity potential is almost incomprehensible. China has been running Phase 2 national 6G trials since February 2026. These trials are not lab simulations but actual prototype equipment testing. And this month, China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology launched a ministry provincial 6G pilot program, with trial spectrum approved in the 6 GHz band for real-world testing. ZTE has already shown GigaMIMO at MWC Barcelona, which is the AI native antenna architecture, bridging 5G advanced to 6G. At MWC Shanghai, expect the next chapter, and that will be more hardware and more sub-THz demos. This showcase will come with a very clear message from Beijing that the 6G race is happening, with or without you. Now here's the story the mainstream tech press almost completely missed, and it may be the most consequential demo of 2026. At MWC Barcelona, Ericsson and Apple conducted the world's first live multi-rate spectrum sharing demonstration between 5G and a simulated 6G system. The demo showed two systems sharing the same mid-band spectrum simultaneously through a single Ericsson base station. The implication is that the carriers won't need to rip out 5G infrastructure to deploy 6G, but can migrate gradually. Spectrum coexists. That's what makes 6G economically viable for every operator on Earth. Apple, a company that never comments on roadmaps, publicly showed up at a pre-standard 6G demo. You know what that means for the next iPhone generation? Now here's where it all connects, and that is network slicing. Today, 5G lets operators carve a single physical network into multiple virtual networks, like one slice for an ambulance, one for a factory robot, one for your Netflix stream. 6G supercharges this. And with AI native architecture, the network predicts demand, reshapes slices in real time, and self-optimizes without a human operator touching it. In 14 days, here's exactly what to watch for. 1. Does Huawei or ZTE demonstrate a live sub-THz data link, even at short range? 2. Does any Western company make a direct counter-announcement? The silence would be just as telling. 3. Does any carrier like China Mobile, China Unicom commit to a 6G trial date publicly? The signal isn't in the demos, it's in the commitments. I'll be back with a full breakdown the moment those announcements drop on June 24th. If you don't want to miss it, you know what to do. This is Techtonic. The 6G race is on, and you're already ahead of it.